What's going on, everybody? Dylan here with Espresso Outlet, and in front of us we have the Turin Legato version 2. Now, if you did get this machine and you got the machine all heated up and you're looking to pull your first shot and you notice that there is no water coming out of the group, well, that is not to be anything worried about. So pretty much all we're going to have to do is there is an adjustment screw right here. So we're going to go ahead and adjust that screw. This is going to be the flow rate screw. You're going to want to open it as much as possible without it falling out. So if it does get way too loose, just tighten it up just a tad, and you should be good to go. So let's go ahead and adjust that now. Something I would suggest is just to pull the drip tray out just so you have more room when unscrewing the screw. Next, you're going to want to use a flathead screwdriver. And again, we are adjusting this screw here. So all we're going to do is we're going to take this and we're going to start turning it clockwise. It is a tight fit, so just stay with it. So we do recommend that, like I said, that you open this all the way to where it does get loose and then tighten it just enough to where it's going to stay in and not fall out. Okay, I'm at the point where it is getting pretty loose, so I'm just going to actually tighten this up just a tad. So now we can go ahead and reinstall our drip tray. Press the button. Now we should get water coming from the group. And there you have it. Quick 2-minute fix. My name is Dylan with Espresso Outlet, and this is if you're having trouble with your Turin Legato version 2, not having water come out of the group, and how to solve. So thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.